Today I'm going to talk about how to customize AssetManage using our user-defined fields feature. Let me get started with a simple example. Under the Tools menu, you're going to select Preferences. And here you'll see a Field Names tab, which allows you to define user fields. Now this first section here, the existing fields, are fields that you'll already see in AssetManage. And what you can do is basically just rename the fields. So let's say, for example, I want to rename the made of field to fabric, for example. Just click fabric, hit enter, OK. Now, whenever I add an item on the second tab here, the additional tab, you'll see that fabric has replaced made of as the name of this particular field here. Now another example is, let me go back into Tools Preferences. I can also define new user fields. So I'll go back in the Field Names tab, and in the second section we have over 100 available text user-defined fields, 3 user-defined date fields, 3 Boolean fields, and 3 currency fields, which you can use. Now I'm going to change the first user-defined text field, and let me just call it last inspected by. Click OK. Now when I go into the Add Item dialog, I will see a last inspected by field, and just type in a name. And you need to click the Enter button to register the new value. And the OK button will not be enabled until I at least specify a description, which is why the description field is in yellow. So let me just make up a name, Herman Miller Chair. Click OK. And as you can see here down at the last field, you'll see last inspected by. And this also applies to when you edit an item. So let me edit this desktop here, desktop computer, old system Max computer, and you'll also see when editing an asset the user fields, and you can go in and type in Paul Douglas, OK, and again last inspected by is added to this particular asset. And like I said, this user-defined fields also applies to date fields if you need them, currency fields, and Boolean fields. So hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.